Alright, if you did not catch shorts today, let me explain to you how you could have caught them trading the 4 power 3. Alright, so first things first, if you've been staying up to date with my content over the last few weeks, I've been posting analysis every single week. And on the higher time frame, we can tell that we have SMT with the previous year high, the previous quarter's high, and since then we displaced down, had an internal structure stop raid, mitigating the yearly open, and since then have just been displacing lower. And right now, what we're doing on the higher time frame is drawing towards EQ of the yearly range slash all of these different monthly imbalances below us. Alright, and what that means is that we're simply bearish on a higher time frame. When it comes to the development of our weekly power 3, we can see that we opened up, accumulated, manipulated higher. In this manipulation higher, that expansion higher, we reversed without any sort of SMT. So that gives us a dead obvious bearish bias, and that is what we're presented with going into the 4 power 3 today. Alright, so this is the 15-minute time frame, and as we can see on the 15-minute time frame, when the 4 power 3 opens up at 10 a.m., we opened up, manipulated higher into the 4-hour imbalance slash 15-minute imbalance, which overlaps with that 4-hour, as well as at the same time running out the previous 4 power 3 high. Now this is the 1-minute chart, and as we can see in the 1 minute, 10 a.m. opens up right here. Essentially just a little bit of accumulation on a lower time frame, manipulates up. In this manipulation up, that's when we mitigate the 4-hour imbalance through 15-minute imbalance, run out the previous 4 power 3 high, which we had also formed SMT with, and then from there it immediately had reversed and formed a 1-minute CISD. That 1-minute CISD would be your entry, stop loss at the high, TP at the low, and you would let it run from there. The issue with this position, and the reason I had actually stayed out of this position, was due to the low risk reward trade. It was only just under 1 to 2 risk reward. Now, the way you could have gone about this was recognize the low risk reward and either A, wait for continuation, or B, target an external low such as the previous or the data low all the way back from Sunday, or potentially the low of the week, which again lacked that SMT. And by doing so, you're presented with a 1 to 6 targeting low of the week and a 1 to 4.6 targeting that data low. And that is how you could have caught the 4 power 3. As you can see, ended up delivering shorts the entire day. As I zoom out right here, you can see. But overall, that's how you could have caught the 4 power 3 and how you could have caught shorts today.